Hai semuanya, apa kabar ya? Masih dengan Eka sini di Upcoding dan kali ini saya bingung teman ya. Saya nggak tahu harus bikin video apa, topiknya apa. Dan akhirnya saya ajak Tina ya. Inilah teman saya di rumah ini. Jadi mudah-mudahan menarik ya, nggak seperti biasanya. Dan kita langsung tanya dia. Hey Tina, what are you doing?
I'm just browsing some websites. What's up?
Nice. So I have a question. Do you know that I work in the IT industry, right?
Yeah, I know that.
What do you think about it?
I think, personally, I think IT is not for me.
Why?
I hate it.
Really?
Yeah, it's very hard.
I love it.
Really? You're
Yeah,
so smart.
Oh, yeah, I'm smart.
Yes, you are.
So, alright. So you say you hate IT.
Yeah.
Have you heard about coding? Coding.
Yeah, I have heard of it before.
You
And
know
I
that-
think it's very complicated.
Really?
I don't like it.
You know, I do codes every day. That's my job. Yes, that's my job. I code every day. How about this? I have a challenge for you.
What
I-
challenge is it?
I'll teach you how to code.
Really?
Yeah.
Isn't it gonna be hard?
No, easy.
Really?
Trust me, easy.
Okay, I trust you.
Yeah?
Please teach me.
So just trust me. I'll tell you what to do. I'll tell you what to write, and
But please be easy, Eka, please.
no, it's gonna be easy. It's super easy, like
Okay.
because everyone can code if they want.
Really?
Trust me, everyone can code.
Okay, I trust you this time.
Okay, so all right, so let's do it.
Yeah,
and
let's
go
do
to
it.
the table.
Yes, let's go.
You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, I'm gonna make it easy. It's based on goal. So after I teach you, you will know how to do things. First one is how to print the text on the screen. When you start programming, that is the easiest task that you can do.
Wow.
Just print something to the screen, display something to the screen, right?
That sounded very interesting.
So that's the first one. The second one is we will make a simple program to calculate your ideal weight based on your height.
Is that even possible?
Easy. There's a formula for it. But I don't know what's the formula. That is what we are looking for. We will search for the formula and apply it to your programs. And then you enter your current height and you press enter
Yep.
and it will print you what your ideal weight right now should be.
Wow, I am really looking forward to that.
So yeah, two simple goals. I hope I can explain to you like in an easy way. For some people it's difficult, but yeah, but let's try. I'm pretty sure that you can do it.
Thank you.
Yeah. Right? Ready? Cool. Okay, so first I'll explain to you how we're gonna do it. To tell computer to do something, right? Let's say, hi computer, please print words to the screen. So to do that, we need something called programming language because we program the computer to do what we want to do, right? It's called programming language. Please say it again. What's that?
Programming language.
Yes, exactly. Great. That's the first milestone. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. In this world, there's hundreds, there's thousands of programming language. There's a lot of them. So it's like a language, like Chinese language, like Indonesian language, many language.
yeah,
Same for
okay.
programming language.
Okay.
Similar. So right now, it's not about which language to use. It's about like the concept of how to tell computers to do things, right? To make it super simple, I will choose one programming language that we can use. It's called Python.
Yeah, I think Python's kind of a type of snake.
Correct. Yes, it is snake, but we are not going to use snake to do a program today. Okay, so it's just a name. Yeah, keep the name.
Yeah.
It's really easy. It's perfect for a beginner like you to learn how to code. So, yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
So here on the screen, this is what I use to program every day. This is called like a code editor.
Wow.
Yeah,
It looks very interesting.
It's you can compare like a Microsoft Word or something. Yeah, to write something, but
Yeah.
this is to write codes, to program, to write programs, right?
Yeah.
You don't need to worry about what was this, you know, what was that, right? So you just need to focus about this part and in the middle,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
and also this part. To make it easy,
Yeah.
I will handle this part and this part.
Let's do it.
First of all, I'll create a new file. Okay, I'll call it intro. Py. Do not worry about it. It's just a file inside a folder called Tina.
I can see the snake here.
Yes, exactly.
That's
so
the one.
logo of this programming language is the snake because it's a Python snake.
That's so interesting.
This is you're gonna write your program. Our goal today is really simple. Only two. The first one is like how to print something to the screen, and the second one is how to calculate your ideal weight based on your height. To print something, easy. We don't need anything. The second one, we need a way to how can you input your weight to the program.
That sounds like something impossible, honestly.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll show you. It's just few lines of code.
Really?
Yes, less than 10 maybe. Yeah. Let's see.
Coding is interesting now, I feel like.
Yeah, interesting. So
Yeah.
quit your job and join me.
Yes, I will.
So in Python, to print something is easy. Okay, like this. Print. Right? Save it. That's it. So simple. Every programming language have a different way to print something, have a different way to write something to the screen, right?
Yeah.
So this is because I use Python because it's really simple. Just looking at it, you understand what it
Yeah.
does, right?
Yeah.
Print. This is how you tell computer, right? Computer, please print.
Okay.
So
It's like giving the computer orders.
yes, this is the order. Print to
Yeah.
print, and then hello world, and then you need to follow this kind of syntax, right? So print start with what's called
Bracket.
bracket,
Yeah.
and then this is the tag that you want to print. So you see here, there's a single quote at the beginning and also at the end of the word itself, right?
Yeah.
So it can be single quote like this, or you can replace it with double quote. But it needs to be the same. If you replace the first one, you need to be
Last
the last one. To print something to the screen is as simple as this.
Oh.
Print hello world.
We already did it.
Yes. This is the file that you write your program. And then I need to run this. So I will run it with Python, right? Because that's the programming language we use, right? And then I will call your file. Type it. Python space intro.py. The program that you write is in file called intro.py.
Oh, bro. So I understood. So py means Python, right?
Yes,
Oh, okay.
it's file extension.
Yeah.
This is how we run Python script. So this will be your first program. So you need to execute the program.
By myself?
Yes, maybe like something somewhere gonna
Oh
be
my
explode. But so
God.
maybe my laptop
Yeah.
gonna be explode. So
Oh my god, protect
But
my house, please.
yes, you just need to press enter.
Only enter?
Enter.
Okay, let me try. Oh, that worked!
Yeah,
Oh
you
my
see?
god, that's so simple.
It's simple. Like
It
just one
is.
line. You tell computer to
Wow.
print text
Yeah.
hello world to the screen, and it prints.
It worked, guys. It works.
So yeah, so that is the simplest program that you can write.
Wow.
Yeah,
Okay, I'm so impressed.
congrats, now you're a programmer.
Thank you.
You can replace my job. Alright. So this is how we print, right?
Yep.
So in programming, we tell computer what to do, right? You understand that?
Yeah.
Now this is a challenge for you. What you will do to print Hello Tina? What changes that you need to do? Save it. Back here, and then I'll execute the same file because yeah, and then you enter again. You see?
Wow.
Hello Tina.
This is so simple.
It's simple.
Yeah.
So let's do one more thing.
Yep.
So I found this website. It's called what's called text to ASCII art generator. The cool thing about this is like you can type Ika. Oh, look at that. You type whatever.
That looks like
And
anime.
we can copy this and use Python to print that. Cool, right?
How are we supposed to do that?
Type a word that you want to display. Anything. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's for me.
Yes, that's for you.
Oh, that's nice. All right. So what we can do is,
Yep.
now we copy all this. I copy, and then back to our Python program.
Yep.
Right? So with this, with just a double quote at the start and at the end of the text, you cannot write like, let's say, hello. Well, yeah, you cannot do that. As you see, yeah, you see,
Yeah, this is like
this the multiple line. We
Nice.
cannot like just let's say copy this, paste this into here.
oh,
That's
okay.
fine. Yeah, it's broken.
Oh, yeah, it doesn't
Because
make
it's
sense.
multi-line, a lot of lines.
Yeah.
In Python, there's a way for us to print something on the screen in multi-lines.
How do we do that?
Let's see. We do it like this. We start with, instead of one quotes or double quote like this, we start with 3. And then enter 3. It works. So inside that, you can do anything you want. You see the difference?
Oh, okay. So what is the 3 quote means?
It just means like you can, inside that, you can put
Anything.
any things you want, many lines you want.
Yes.
So delete this. Back to our website.
Yeah.
And then we copy.
Yeah.
Oh, I want you to paste it. I'm typing away. So you see? Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, that makes sense, right?
Yes.
So let's okay. That's nice. So save it and then run.
Yeah.
I think you know what you do to do. Ooh, it's a bit messy though. So
Yeah, it doesn't make sense.
I don't know why it's like cool.
Yeah.
You see?
Wow.
It's nice.
This is crazy.
Yeah, it's just
Yeah.
sweet thing.
Wow.
Our first mission accomplished.
Yes.
You are super great.
Thank you guys. I know I'm the best. Thank you guys.
Yes, you're the best. So, right, the first one is done. Now, the second mission is we need to we need to create a program to calculate your ideal weight based on your current height.
Yes. Let's do
How
that.
do we do that? What do we need?
I think we need to Google the formula.
Nice, because I don't know. We need to do now, right now.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
So, okay, Tina, so let's Google ideal weight formula. For female or whatever, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see? We get something. Okay, let's just copy this. And then go back to our Python.
Yes.
So, yeah. So, let's just delete it, right?
Let's delete everything.
So,
Yeah.
I put it here. So, okay, so this is the formula, right? So, it means that ideal, like that. So, we need to use this formula, which is, yes, this is fixed number. This is, yes, numbers, I don't know where it came from. And this as well.
Yeah.
But how about this one? Height in centimeter.
I know.
So, yes, this need to be your current height.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, this will be something that we need to enter. You need to enter.
Yeah.
You see, right? So, I'll just comment this for now. Like, so Python do not run it. So like that for notes, right? So, when we run this program, we need to know. We need to ask you, what's your current height, right? So, in Python, to ask for something, we use input.
Okay.
Yeah. So input like what do you want to ask? Like what's your name? As simple as that. Let's try.
Yeah.
This is not doing nothing, but let's try. Yeah. It will ask your name. And then to make it continue, we need to type something. Enter again. Finish. It's doing nothing. It just asks you something and doing nothing.
Okay.
But how can we store what we type here to this value that we need to calculate them?
Yeah.
Right? So in programming, there's something called like variables.
Variables.
Yes, variable. All right. So yes. Okay. So we call it variable. It's like this glass. So the glass is a variable. So we can put water, or we can put tea, we can put coffee. It's just something to
It's like a container.
yeah, just a container to store
To
value.
store. Yeah. Oh, okay. Store
Yeah.
value. Yes.
So we want to store your
Height.
height. Okay.
Yes.
Variable called height, or you can name it anything. You can name it like a x or whatever, and then like that. Or to make it more clear. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so basically what we tell Python is, Python, please ask user this question, and when they answer it, store it in a variable called height. Call it store in a container called
Height.
height. Instead of names, we want height. What is your, like that?
Yep.
Right? Cool. And then we can use our print skill to try to print it. What do we print? The variable.
So the height. Yep.
Yeah? Simple as that.
Yep.
Try. And down.
Yes.
See? Get a value from the input, print it. Simple.
Yep.
So now we need to use the height and put it into our formula. Okay? So, what do you need to do? We need to store the ideal weight before we can print it.
Yep.
So now your task is to create a variable called ideal weight. Type it. There. Underscore, sorry, yeah. So variable cannot have space.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then wait, sorry, wait, yeah.
Yeah.
You can copy this from here to here.
Yep.
Put it there, right? Yeah, copy. You see, something is wrong here. The first one is what is this? Which is we will replace it with our height.
Yep.
Correct. And what is this? Smart, Tina. That is what I mean. Wait, something missing. So yeah, that's correct. So that's a multiplication. So this is correct. This doesn't work. The what's called
The bracket.
The bracket.
Oh, okay, yeah.
so we need to remove them. Wow, you learn really fast. That's correct. You know, you remove the bracket and replace it with this column.
Column bracket, yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
that's correct. You know, you learn really fast. So I don't need to tell you why, but you already did it. So now something is wrong. So what's this? This is minus, right?
Yeah,
like
this
a
is
hyphen.
minus. Oh, maybe it's not the actual minus.
So you
let's.
fix it.
Yeah. Oh, okay, okay.
It works now. So let's check our formula once again. You already put your what's called the variable height into this formula,
Yep.
and the result of this should now be in the
Ideal weight, yeah.
So do you have difficulties to understand that, or is it no?
No,
It makes sense.
I understand.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Smart. No, okay. So now the last part is to print your ideal weight.
Yeah, so can I write it here?
Yep.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go. Wait. Save it. Okay. So let's delete the height one.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do that. Save it. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's try. It asks you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, what happened? Unsupported operand, blah, blah. Okay, so when we ask something from users, the result is not actually a number, you know. But here, we try to subtract a string or like a text with numbers.
Yeah.
It doesn't work, right?
It doesn't.
So that's the problem why it's complained, you know? String or str and float, which is, yeah, it floats like a just decimal. You don't need to worry about it. Just forget it. So,
Okay. Yeah.
so number in number, okay, but string and number, not okay. So what we can do is to convert this string into a number.
Okay.
Let's convert it into a integer, for example. Int. Forget it. Let's convert it into a number. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So just trust me on this.
Yeah.
Right. So what I can do is like a int your height.
Okay.
Right. Your height.
Does int means insert?
No, it's a data type, which is I'm not explaining you yet.
Okay.
Like so.
Next video.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Next video. Cool. Okay.
Let me know, guys.
So int There's a float, you know, the float.
Yeah.
There's a string, which is the text. So sorry, I haven't explained to you. But
No worries.
right now, what we're doing is like we convert them to numbers first, and then
Will work.
it works. So yeah, that's the best way that I can explain. But yeah, so now everything is numbers.
Yeah.
Save it. Try it.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's right. You see?
So this is okay, 59.69.
something. Yeah, that is your ideal weight, Tina. And how about you, Mano?
59.
What?
So it's the same.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Your ideal? Oh my god.
See,
no?
I'm perfect.
You're perfect. Okay. So yeah, that's it. You know, I mean, I didn't explain anything, but we did it. You did it. No, especially you did it. You know, I mean, I don't know what to say, but you learn really fast. You know, it's nice, cool. So yeah, what do you think?
Honestly, for me, I feel like if I can do this, then everyone else can do it. I encourage everyone to try as well.
Of course, this program won't make you $1 million. Nobody will buy your program. Of course, with just this, right?
Yeah.
So, but you show us already that everyone that you never learn. Have you ever tried?
No,
right?
I have never tried
So
it.
this is your first
time.
try. It's your first try. So, yeah, yeah, everyone can do it. Can try it. See if you like it. You can continue. If you don't, it's fine. You know what programmers doing every day, and maybe sometimes like appreciate what they are doing for you every day. So yeah,
I know. Yeah.
This is what we are doing basically.
Yeah. So I really wanna appreciate Aka's hard work today, and I want to encourage everyone to try coding because it is truly life-changing and very interesting.
It is how it works.
Yes.
It's really difficult for me to explain in English as well, so it's difficult. But yeah, I think it's worth it.
It is worth it.
And especially you will really smart, so yeah, that makes it easier. I don't need to do anything, you do it yourself.
Oh my god, thank you,
nice.
Aka.
Oke teman, jadi itu ya, itu tadi apa ya, bisa bilang pengalaman yang luar biasa buat saya, karena saya harus menjelaskan, artinya apa ya, memperkenalkan programming itu kepada orang yang sama sekali tuh nggak pernah. Kemarin tuh dia nggak tahu apa tentang Python, dia tuh taunya ular gitu. Jadi itu ya, mudah-mudahan ya, apa pesan dari video kali ini bisa teman tangkap semuanya. Artinya bahwa siapapun ya, itu seperti yang dia bilang tadi bahwa siapapun kalau mau coba programming itu bisa gitu ya. Jadi silakan coba dulu, kalau suka silakan lanjutkan, kalau enggak ya sudah gitu. Tapi programming apa ya, bisa dicoba sama semuanya. Mungkin nggak semuanya akan jadi programmer, tapi bisa dicoba semuanya. Oke, itu ya. Jadi buat yang merasa mungkin video ini bermanfaat ya, atau senang dengan video ini, silahkan ya like dulu ya. Tina ya. Jadi like dulu ya, like, subscribe yang belum pastinya. Mudahan ya, kalau misalkan teman-teman tuh ingin Tina nanti ada di video berikutnya, silahkan komen di bawah. Oke, gitu ya. Jadi sekian dulu ya teman untuk kali ini, karena apa ya, lumayan capek ngajarin ya pastinya. Tapi pastinya ini pengalaman yang biasa buat saya sendiri. Mudah-mudahan bisa bermanfaat dan menghibur kalian semuanya. Oke, dan sampai jumpa di video berikutnya. Dan terima kasih semuanya.
Terima kasih semuanya.
Iya. Terima kasih semuanya. Oke.
Terima kasih semuanya.
Terima kasih semuanya. Bye bye.
Terima kasih semuanya.
Terima kasih semuanya.
Bye. See you guys.